Hello people, welcome back to my video, and today I'm about to experiment with yummy cheese bite. Okay, so I never tried these cheese bite, so I thought to just try these. These are Keventer cheese and corn bites. So it's about 400 gram and it just cost 215. I got this one at a little discount, so the quantity was also good. So oil is ready. Okay, now so it's time to fry it. I am very much excited to try these because nuggets, and that too cheese nuggets, it tastes heavenly. I decided to try this pack because for instant hunger, nuggets are always good idea. I don't know about this one. After frying it, I'll get to know, and I'll also review it, that how it was. First, let the fry get completed. We'll fry this till it gets a little brown. We'll not just make it darker brown. So by the time it gets fried, let's see the pack ones. I find everything okay here. Okay, now so it's ready. Okay, so finally it's time to try these yummy nuggets. I'm very much excited. Okay, so I just tried it and it's really yummy. You must try these ones, and the best part is that the cheese quantity is really good, and they have also provided you corn in it, which makes a really good combination. So yes, do let me know after trying. Bye bye. Thank you.